This is the blizzard of 2011. It's February 2nd, about 9:10 a.m. I will unleash the fury. I don't know how Amy's getting into the garage. She'll probably have to push all the snow in. Good thing she has four-wheel drive. She left for work around 5 o'clock this morning. My car's fairly clear, but doesn't mean I'll be moving it anywhere. Look at the drifts. It's still coming down, as you can see. See if I can give you some perspective. That's the look from the floor of my garage. Blizzard, part 2. Video shot by IT Man 285. It's brutal out here. I just finished shoveling a little bit. We're going to go out into the thick of the storm, shoot some weather video. My road? Well, you can't even see my road. I hope my wife can get home from work. She's working at GM Powertrain in Bay City. Business as usual there. See if I can get some video to show you the perspective of the snowfall from my house. Many roads. All the roads are impassable unless you have four-wheel drive. Unfortunately, I don't have four-wheel drive. My wife has the four-wheel drive, and she needs it. She needs to make it home. It's brutal out here. Look at these drifts over here. I'm walking on the road right now, if you can't tell. On the side of my house. The front of my house. And it's still coming down. Very heavy. The first blizzard that I've ever experienced in Michigan. You don't get very many. I've been here 8 years and never had a blizzard. So when it happened, it's pretty serious stuff. Turn you into the wind. And my memory card's about full.